The inventor of Bitcoin came up with the invention of mining, which is where people compete to mine Bitcoins by solving complex math puzzles to earn a block of Bitcoin. Bitcoins are measured in these blocks, which equals 12.5 Bitcoin today, and each is estimated about 10,000 US dollars. So they would be earning 125,000 US dollars by completing the math puzzles. This is how the Bitcoins are created. Behind the online usage, there are miners who get paid to work as a type of auditor. They do the work of verifying previous Bitcoin transactions, and they help prevent a double spending problem. Since digital currency has a risk of users duplicating the original tokens and then spending the same Bitcoin twice, this is necessary for the company to track user spending.